Good day. Welcome to the Gulf News Update for Tuesday, September the 29th. Here are the top stories at this hour. Domestic and international airports in Mumbai and the iconic Taj Hotel nearby received a terror threat, following which security agencies went on an alert. The airport manager on duty late Monday night received a call that the airport and the Taj Hotel outside the airport may be attacked. The incident comes on the eve of sentencing 12 convicted for the July 2011 Mumbai serial train blasts scheduled to be pronounced on Wednesday. Sweeping new rules by the Ministry of Labour will forge a stronger relationship between employers and employees and enhance the labour market across the country by ensuring transparency and encouraging more flexible labour mobility for workers. The new rules were unveiled by Minister of Labour Safar Gobash to build upon the latest decisions to the Labour Policy Initiative in 2011 regarding labour mobility. The new iPhones will be officially available in the UAE from October 10th. The iPhone 6s will be available in the UAE for dirhams 2,599 for the 16 GB model, dirhams 2,999 for 64 GB, and dirhams 3,399 for the 128 GB. The iPhone 6s Plus will be available for dirhams 2,999 for the 16 GB, dirhams 3,399 for 64 GB, and dirhams 3,799 for the 128 GB. Romelu Lukaku's double strike inspired a remarkable fight back as Everton recovered from 2 goals down to win 3-2 at West Brom in the English Premier League last night. Roberto Martinez's side looked destined for defeat when Craig Dawson added to Saido Berahino's first-half opener to put Albion 2-0 up with 54 minutes gone at the Hortons. Lukaku gave Everton hope when he netted 1 minute later and Aruna Kone equalised. Lukaku bagged the winner with only 6 minutes left. Paul Walker's daughter sued Porsche for wrongful death, claiming the sports car that her father was in when he was killed suffered from numerous design defects. The lawsuit filed by Meadow Rain Walker seeks unspecified damages for defects that her lawyers claim kept the actor trapped in the Porsche Carrera GT when it crashed and burst into flames in November 2013. And finally, the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 39 degrees Celsius, dropping to 27 degrees at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. But as always, you can get the latest news on gulfnews.com.